Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrack. This one has 44,000 miles on the clock and comes with the works. It comes with both AC and 12 volt power outlets, satellite navigation, independent climate control, cruise control, hands-free, cooling, voice assist, heated seats. It's an automatic two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and also low range there as well. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay also installed. And if I just show you into the back as well, we do have the 3 seats here, also leather, the AC down there, like I mentioned earlier. And in the back, we also have a reversing camera. And when I put this down, you can then see that we have a lot of room in the back as well.